Hello guys, let us take a look into the general formula where x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a for all quadratic equation of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So given an example, let us take a look into 5x squared minus 6x minus 1. If you had to take a look into this example, is equals to 0. So it means a is equals to 5, b is equals to minus 6, and c is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to minus b, which is minus 6 bracket plus or minus square root of b squared minus 6 square here minus 4a, which is 5, times c, which is minus 1, all over 2a, which is 5. So it is simplified this way. Here we get 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 plus 20 here, all over 10. So if that is the case, then x is equals to 6 plus or minus the square root of 56 all over 10. For square root of 56 we don't have. So what we need to do radicals. So let us say root 56. If you are to simplify 56, what do we get? 56 by 2, it is 2. Here it is 8. 2, 1, 4, 2, 7. So 7 here. So it is 4 times 14. So if that is the case, it means the square root of 4 times 14 is equals to 56. So x is equals to 6 plus or minus, if you apply the radicals, it means 4 times 14 all over 10, which is equals to 6 plus or minus 2 root 14 all over 10. Since it's plus or minus, it means if you are to simplify here, it is 5, here it is 3, here it's 1. So our final solution is equals to x is equals to 3 plus root 14 over 5, or 3 minus root 14 all over 5. That's our final solution for the value of x. So this is how we solve by the general formula. It's just a general formula. This is just a general formula, and you substitute the value and you just solve as you see fit. I would like you to solve this quadratic equation. Solve x squared plus 11x plus 3 equals to 0. I want you to solve by using a general formula. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.